Hello everyone and welcome to frompizzatodalchawal. So today I'll be sharing the recipe of this delicious and authentic Poda Pitha. Poda Pitha is the most commonly made pitha in every Odia household on the festival of Rojo. As Rojo is going on, so it's mandatory to share the recipe of this amazing Poda Pitha. So do check out the recipe and give it a try. Jadi apan ei recipe kode dekhiବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛନ୍ତି then ଉପରେ ଥିବା I button link को press କରନ୍ତୁ. First, I have washed and soaked 1 cup of Urad Dal and 1.5 cup of Basmati Rice for 6 hours. Then transfer the rice to blender jar and add 2 tablespoons of water and blend smooth. Transfer this blended rice to a bowl. Then add the Urad Dal on the blender jar and blend it the same way. Transfer it to the same bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of water if needed and mix everything well. Whisk and mix for about 8 to 10 minutes. Cover and rest for 8 hours or overnight for fermentation. So I'll prepare a simple stuffing now. In a kadai, heat 5 tablespoons of jaggery. Add 1 tablespoon of water and heat and melt it. After the jaggery melts, add 1 cup of grated coconut and 1 cup of cottage cheese or Chhena. Mix everything well and cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Cook till the color and texture changes like so. Then add half teaspoon of cardamom powder and half teaspoon of black pepper powder. Give it a good mix and turn off the heat. Allow it to cool down. Our pitha batter is also well fermented now. It has doubled in size. Transfer it to a bigger container. Whisk again for 2 to 3 minutes. And then add 2 crushed bay leaves, 1 tablespoon of grated ginger, 3 tablespoons of grated coconut, 3 tablespoons of chopped coconut and half cup of jaggery. I've also added half teaspoon of salt here. Mix everything well till everything is well combined. Our pitha batter is ready. Now grease a kadai well with desi ghee. You can also place butter paper if you need. Transfer 1/3 of batter and spread the preferred stuffing. Repeat the steps again. Add dry fruits of your choice if you need. I have added cashew nuts and raisins. Again add final layer of batter and top it up with coconut mixture and dry fruits. I have decorated the pitha like so with the dry fruits. You can use banana leaf or butter paper underneath if you are scared of sticking the pitha to the bottom. I have not used anything here, so it was a bit difficult to come out, but it is also okay. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of ghee on top, place on stove, cover and cook on the lowest flame for 40 minutes. After 30 minutes, keep checking if it is cooked or not. It took me around 40 minutes. Our pitha is perfectly cooked. Allow it to cool down. After it's cooled down, run a knife through the edges and flip it on a plate. See how beautifully our pitha has come out. The back side is perfectly burnt. Flip it again to see the top. Our super soft Poda Pitha is ready. Poda Pitha can be made with suji or any other supplementary items, but the traditional Poda Pitha is made like this, and this tastes super amazing and this is super soft and yummy. So happy Roja everyone. Do give this a try and let me know how it turned out. So if you like this recipe, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.